Gotta build up the suspense.
Probably show the options first before you like open it up.
Oh, I'm sorry. These are the options.
I'm hoping for green grape.
What could it be?
It's in another big.
It's in another big. Hang on.
Boom.
Oh, you're looking at the card. Don't look at the card. It's supposed to be a surprise. Oh, it's cute, baby.
Alright.
Is there a card in this one? The
Well,
bag's
it's not,
cute.
it's not like a card.
Well, that one came with the card.
What color do you think it is?
Oh, I hope it's green grape. Any one except for the pink. I'm okay with any color but the pink.
That's fancy.
Watch, I got the pink. Ah! It's so cute. It's not even in frame.
Wait, what's the color too?
It's just all white. Ah, they're so cute. I love them.
Oh, the Eve film ones have the teeth.
So I got toffee.
Yep, you got the toffee.
I got toffee. Oh, I love it. Okay. Well, I got all the Labubus I want. Now I'm good. I mean, I didn't really care for the color. Like, I would love the grape or the green ones. But colors I didn't really care about. I just wanted Labubus.
Why
Why does it?
So this is actually the secret. Because he is chestnut cocoa. Coconut. Yeah, chestnut cocoa. So I got the secret.
But that's literally what boba is. Come on, Ken. Be careful.
That one, why did that?
Look at that big rooster.
Is he doing his best?
That comes back over here.
Run one way or another.
There's no in this sight right now. Maybe they're just messing with me.